Welcome back into my office. I'm Brian. We're now going to flip through this album of vintage postcards, which contains over 100 of these early 20th century postcards devoted completely and entirely to Thanksgiving. If you have a collection, look at these. These are beautiful color lithography. And some of these actually have embossing. And many of them appear also to be used. I'll be honest, I have not taken them out of these inserts that they're in. Some are postally used, some are not. Like I can see a stamp on that one. This is how the album was acquired, and I'm just going to merely film it and offer it, pass it along as it was acquired. That almost looks like it would be a movable, but it's not. So you can see every single card within the album. So if you collect Thanksgiving cards, well, this is a nice addition. And if you don't collect them, well, here's your chance to start with a great run of some very colorful cards at a very modest price. If you were to take the time to go assemble these one at a time, I feel fairly certain you would wind up, conceivably paying more than we're asking. But what's nice is they're all, I think this collection actually was formed in the past by one person, as once upon a time, postcard collecting was a national craze in the first 20 years of the 20th century. Specifically, actually, it was a little bit earlier. The whole history of postcard collecting is fascinating to read about, the whole subgenre of real photo cards and so on. It really was, for a time, the way that many people sent messages to each other. It was the email of the day. Many people don't know this, but many cities actually had postal delivery 2 or 3 times in a day. So you could send somebody a postcard in the morning and feel fairly confident they would get it by the afternoon. Which is a remarkable thing when you think about what goes on with the post office today. And so we're nearing the end of the album, and you will have seen all the cards. Some of the pages are detached or little edge tears and so on like this. You know, it's no big deal. It's just how it is. And yeah, I'm pretty forgiving of flaws on paper things, and these albums weren't meant to last forever. You could always remove them and put them in glassine or whatever it is that a person wants to do with their postcard collection to organize it. There are many different methods of doing so, but you've seen the whole album now, and if it interests you, it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.